Welcome to one and all, a very warm welcome to Kshamavarta. Kshamavarta is about counseling and management training. So I felt let me give you a brief introduction about it. When it comes to counseling, people still hesitate to go to counselors thinking that what others may think, what my friends may think, what my family members may think. Please stop thinking about those. Nothing bad going to counseling. It may be career counseling, it may be counseling in psychology, it may be marriage counselors. You have so many fields. Okay, so counseling, what is counseling? Counseling is nothing but it gives clarity to take certain decisions. So, and please believe your counselors, choose the right counselor when you go, because all the counselors follow their own ethics. They don't share with anyone. They are very good listeners. You can express your feelings, and also they will not discuss with anyone else whatever you have explained or whatever you have discussed with them. So I feel, and nowadays we are hearing many cases. It may be with depression, anxiety, suicidal attempts, divorce cases. Why? There may be lack of communication, there may be lack of understanding, and also somewhere there is no clarity in our own thoughts. So please, further details if you're willing, Kshamavarta is open for all. You have the details on the website, you can go for it. And what about management training? Management training nowadays you are finding lot of workshops which are happening. What happens in Kshamavarta? Now here in management training we'll be focusing also balancing life and profession. It may be with the attitude, it may be with the thought process, it may be with the confidence, working as a team, building our own companies in a much better way, or helping our own staff members. And yes, as I said, balancing our own life as well. So this is about management training. Now we'll be coming out with lot of workshops, training which will be available. So please check out in Kshamavarta website. And also, as I said, it is also for counseling. It may be for children, it may be for adults, as a family if you require. So you can take the appointments and go ahead with it. Why online? Because nowadays it's very difficult to reach, and yes, right use of technology can be done. So again, I'm welcoming you all for Kshamavarta. Many of you may be aware of Kshamavarta, the Facebook page. Do follow. There you can see lot of positive quotes. One positive thought, one positive thinking may change the day. So as we say, with a good thought, if we start our day, that entire day will go well. Namaste. Take care. As I always say, wellness not only mention about physical health, it's both physical and mental health. Thank you.